7 Call of Duty TikTok classes. Yes, I do watch TikTok, and I do have an account. And yes, I like to watch those e-girls. And yes, I like to copy the TikTok classes. And that's what I'm doing today, doing this video. I took 7 different Call of Duty classes, and I decided to try them out. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe, because it took me hours to grind these guns and get the attachments, so please support me on this. It took forever to make. So basically I'm going to run the video of them explaining it, their TikTok, if you want to check it out, and then my highlights from using that gun. So if you have any questions at all, be sure to leave the question down below in the comments, and I'll reply back whenever I can. Thanks for watching, and see ya.
You guys have to try this M4 class setup. Attachment 1 is the 9mm para round mags, makes it a lot like a submachine gun. Attachment 2 is the M16 Grenadier barrel, helps you at those long ranges. Attachment 3 is a GM mini reflex, super simple, it's a reflex. You can go with laser here if you want. Attachment 4 is no stock, helps with the mobility and running around. Last attachment is a Murph foregrip, helps with that recoil control and the hip fire accuracy. Enjoy.
He's on the back stairs. Down the map. They go top burger, I'll hit him with the missile.
One was down on the Oh no.
Still didn't get the
So dude's got a Ram 7 class setup for you guys. Ram is by far my favorite gun in Modern Warfare. I stick by this class. Attachment 1 is going to be the XRK Ranger barrel. Obviously gives you a lot of range. I think it's a must. Attachment 2 is the TAC laser. Obviously going to give you the aim down sight speed and a little bit of mobility. Attachment 3 is the GM mini reflex. You can go with the grip if you want. Again, this is my preference. Attachment 4 is the Ranger foregrip. I stick by this one because I don't believe any of the other grips carry the same recoil control that the Ranger foregrip does. And the last attachment is the 45 round mags. It's very important because this thing burns through ammo.
It's straight, bro. I appreciate it because you let me spawn on them and I got a long shot, so I'm really
Yep.
You try this out, I'm about to try it out. The most aggressive class up, you want to use the M4A1, the purest blueprint. You want to put compensator on it. You want to put the Corvus Custom Marksman barrel, Commando foregrip, stipple grip tape, and no stock.
You dropped his... Well, 1B, probably 2 more at B, I'm guessing. 2B dead. Yeah, flank around if you can grip.
start with the M4. M6 Grenadier for a barrel. Whatever optic you want. I use the PBX hollow sight. Rubberized grip tape. The 9mm Paramag. And a Commando foregrip. Your accuracy is absolutely insane. Damage is nice. Range is nice.
Got a UAV on station, ready for